An interesting question was asked by my colleague last week. She asked, what can make us a better investor? It got me thinking, and after some time, I said, you need to first tune in your mind before you could tune into big wealth. She was a little surprised and she said, is it not a special skill or experience or knowledge that matters to become a better investor? I said, no. We all inherently have some investing powers. In the short video, I talk about four such powers that can make us better investor. The urge to buy an investment just because the prices are going up would necessarily mean that you don't know why it is going up. This will essentially mean that you will be the first person to bail out the moment the investment starts showing negative returns. Good investing, as you all know by now, is all about buying great investments and holding through it for longest period possible through thick and thin. Quash the need to just buy something because it is going up and sell something because it is going down. Remember, someone is always getting richer than you. It is absolutely okay. Don't give in to the fear of missing out. An idea that is very obvious but often overlooked is that investors on the same field play different games. We all buy the same stock, read the same news, talk to the same people, and of course, offer the same market price. But for all you know, in that field, there are day traders, swing traders, stock pickers, medium term investors, and long term investors. And even for once, if you believe that you're playing the same game, for example, let's say stock pickers, you may have widely different goals and risk appetite. So it is very important to understand the game that you're playing without being swayed by other people's games. And it's a very rare investing skill. If you have it, great. If you don't have it, at least make sure that the planner of yours has it. Patience is the most important part of investing, but to recognize that it cannot be blindly applied to everything and every situation is a hard skill. I really hope you have this investing power, else groom it. It is like having few immutable beliefs, but you're ready to abandon them the moment it starts falling apart. It's a great skill. Are you comfortable being miserable? Let me define misery in few ways. Losing money is definitely miserable. So is to accept the fact that all your investment success is not just because of your skill. Self doubting, getting doubted by investors, spouse, relatives during sketch of underperformance is miserable. No, to understand that things are out of your own hands is miserable. But you know what is a good skill? To understand and accept that this is a part of your investing journey versus just to deny them is a good investing skill, and we all have it. We all know India is the fastest growing country in the world. RBI has been extremely accommodative and has kept the interest rates pretty low. We all know again that India is looking forward and upwards. We need to understand and appreciate the fact that making money in India today is a lot more easier than what it was maybe a decade or two back. You know what is a good investing skill? To appreciate what is possible. I really hope you like this video. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.